Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to use ChatGPT in mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open your browser, whatever browser that you are using. Then you can just go ahead and search for chat.openai.com. Okay, so now you should see this. So now you can start chatting with the AI. So for example, once you entered the chat.openai.com, it says error. So what you can do is to just go ahead and type this. The https://chat.openai.com/auth/login. So just go ahead and type this on your search bar, and once you've typed that, you should open this. Okay, but sometimes ChatGPT is under maintenance, so just go ahead and wait for a while and try that again. Okay, so now you can just go ahead and simply create an essay about any topic. So just write any topic that you want. So for example, paper. Click on the send button, and now you just need to wait until the AI is done with your essay. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.